Imagine the night sky suddenly lighting up as bright as day, with a new star so luminous that it's visible even in broad daylight. This isn't the plot of a science fiction story, it's what could happen if a supernova occurred close to Earth. But what exactly is a supernova, and what would happen if one exploded near our planet? Just before we dive into the video, you can show your support by subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. Now, let's dive in. A supernova is the explosive death of a star, an event so powerful that for a brief period, the star outshines its entire galaxy. It occurs in two main scenarios: when a massive star runs out of nuclear fuel and collapses under its own gravity, or when a white dwarf star acquires too much matter from a companion star and undergoes a runaway nuclear reaction. In both cases, the result is a spectacular explosion that releases vast amounts of energy and matter into space. The effects of a supernova on Earth would depend largely on one critical factor: distance. Space is incredibly vast, and luckily for us, there are no stars close enough to pose a direct threat of a supernova in the near future. However, to understand the potential impact, let's explore a few hypothetical scenarios based on distance. If a supernova were to explode within 30 light-years of Earth, the proximity in cosmic terms is alarmingly close, and the outcomes would be severe. The explosion would emit intense radiation, including a dangerous burst of gamma rays. This radiation has the potential to significantly damage or even strip away the Earth's protective ozone layer. Without this crucial shield, the Earth's surface would be bombarded with harmful solar ultraviolet radiation, leading to widespread ecological damage. The increased UV exposure could disrupt ecosystems, damage crops, increase skin cancers and eye cataracts in humans and animals, and potentially trigger mass extinctions. Moving a bit further out, if a supernova occurred within 300 light-years, the effects on Earth would be less immediately catastrophic, but still concerning. The gamma-ray burst associated with the supernova could still weaken the ozone layer, albeit to a lesser extent. This could result in an increase in UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface, with potential harm to the environment and life. Sensitive ecosystems, particularly those dependent on specific UV radiation levels, could be affected, but the overall risk of mass extinction would be lower than if the supernova were closer. For supernova occurring beyond 300 light-years from Earth, the direct impact on our planet's biosphere would likely be minimal. The most significant effect we might notice would be an increase in cosmic rays, which can lead to more cloud formation and potentially minor climatic changes. However, the visible effect in the night sky would be incredibly dramatic. A supernova at this distance would light up the sky, shining as a bright new star for weeks or even months, providing a spectacular cosmic show without the dire consequences of a closer explosion. Despite the potential dangers, supernovae play a crucial role in the cosmos. They are responsible for creating many of the heavy elements that make up planets and life itself. Elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron are forged in the heart of dying stars and scattered across the galaxy by supernova explosions. In a way, we owe our existence to these cosmic fireworks. While the thought of a supernova explosion near Earth might seem alarming, the vastness of space and the rarity of such events mean that the likelihood of witnessing such a spectacle in our lifetime is low. Nonetheless, supernovae are a fascinating and integral part of the cosmic cycle, reminding us of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. So next time you look up at the stars, remember that in their fiery deaths, the seeds of new life are sown.